How to optimize efficiency in mid-sized farmland operations. Meet the HD525 agricultural drone foldable. Compact design, engineered for seamless portability and easy transport. One pilot, one drone, lightweight and agile. With a 25L tank and dual centrifugal atomizing nozzles, the HD525 achieves 20L min flow rates with 8-meter swath coverage. The HD525 is powered by an 18S grid battery, featuring both active and passive cooling to meet the demands of high-intensity operations. Paired with a 4500W E203 all-purpose charger, making it adaptable to various operating environments. For complex scenarios, the HD525 can be optionally equipped with an obstacle avoidance and terrain-following radar, ensuring safer flights. Dual 75W spotlights illuminate 50-meter paths for night operations. An FPV 120 degrees ultra-wide lens with electronic stabilization, offering a transmission range of up to 2 kilometers, ensures crystal clear imaging. The AirPilot 3.5 smart controller offers full autonomous functionality, enjoys 8+ hours of runtime. Choose HD525. Revolutionize your farming efficiency today.